Now next one is direct form to realization. So how to realize the direct form to structure? So let us see the difference equation of LTI system. Y of n is equal to same equation minus summation k is equal to 1 to n ak y of n minus k plus summation k is equal to 0 to n bk x of n minus 1. So that is the LTI system difference equation. Now find out y of z. For this equation find out h of z. H of z is equal to what? Y of z by x of z. Okay. So now for this you have to transform this into z domain. So that is summation k is equal to 0 to bk z power minus k divided by 1 plus k is equal to 1 to n ak z power minus 1 minus k. Okay. So keep it as equation 2. Now how to write y of z by x of z? So y of z by x of z is equal to, so we have to write it as y of z by w of z into w of z by x of z. Okay. Now w of z by x of z. So in this equation w of z by x of z is equal to 1 divided by this term. Okay. ak z power minus k. Now w of z is equal to cross multiply. Okay. So w of z into this and x of z into this. Okay. Then w of z is equal to x of z minus a1 z inverse w of z. So you have to expand this series. Okay. a1 z power minus 1 into w of z minus a2 z power minus 2 w of z and so on. So keep it as equation 3. Now y of z by x of z. Y of z by x of z is what? This one. Okay. Now again expand. So b naught w of z, substitute k is equal to 0 to m, b naught w of z plus b1 z inverse w of z plus b2 z power minus 2 w of z up to bm z power minus m w of z. Okay. Keep it as equation 5. Now equation 3 and 5 becomes, okay. So equation 3 and 5 write it in a difference equation form. So ikkada z transform lo undi ee x of n domain lo raaskovali. Okay. W of n is equal to x of n minus a1. So by using delay use చేసి రాయాలి కాబట్టి z inverse ఇక్కడ w of n minus 1 కింద రాస్తున్నాం minus a2 w of n minus 2. Okay. And so on an w of n minus n. So in the same way y of n, you have to write y of n also. Y of n is equal to same b naught w of n plus b1 w of n minus 1 and so on bm w of n minus n. Now draw the realization structure of direct form to method. Now equation 6. What is equation 6? This one. You have to draw the structure for equation 6 and equation 7. See this one. X of n minus, so here the constant is minus a1 into, what is the delay? W of n minus 1. You have to multiply these two and add x of n plus up to an into w of n minus n. an into w of n minus n. Okay. In the same way y of n. Okay. So you have to y of n. So this is y of n. Okay. Y of n is equal to w of n plus this whole term. So input is w of n and see b naught w of n. b naught into here the value is w of n plus b1 into w of n minus 1 plus b2 into w of n minus 2 up to bm into w of n minus n. Okay. See these two. The delays are same. W of n minus 1, W of n. The delays are same. Okay. So in direct form 2 method, we have to reduce the memory locations because of same delay. Okay. Here multiplications are m plus n plus 1 and additions are m plus n. So due to reduction of delays, that means So in the input side and output side we are using same delays. Okay, so because of same delays the memory is reduced. Okay, so how to draw with the same delay by using 6 and 7 equations. Okay, now combine these two equations, equation 6 and equation 7 realization. Okay, so we are combining, this is x of n and this is y of n. So up to here is this one, equation 6, this is equation 6 and this one is equation 7. So this is an equation 7. So now see here, delays are same, delays z inverse. Okay, w of n minus 1, w of n minus, w of n minus 2, w of n minus 2. Okay, w of n minus 1 and w of n minus 1. Delays are same. Okay, now combine these two delays. Now I am removing two delays for the input delay and output delay and combine it as a single delay. Okay, so for input and output there is only one delay, z inverse. Okay, and the constants are here is minus a1 and here is b1. Here, see here, minus a1 having separate delay and b1 having separate delay. Okay, now in direct form 2 method we have combined the delays of input and output. Okay, so for minus an into, here minus an is the input, sorry, output, and bm is the output. Now so the delay is common to input and output. Okay, so this is the direct form to realization method.